see them. You know what I'm saying? No place to be.
When you see him, them viewers, Mvrda+Pops YG still in a lockup for lottery scamming. After him start make a little money and a parade the media, left him Black Empress for a white filly and did feel like say him untouchable. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about, plus twin brothers Gunny and Stammer drop out a Spot Valley and the killer them bust out Jahnoy head a Lilliput. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make you know what I go on, pre this. When you see him, them viewers, Mvrda+Pops YG still in a lockup for lottery scamming and see it here. At this, you know, him never know say squaddy them did I watch him. My people, most of them youth and no sense, you know. And I no disrespect me and disrespect the youth them, you know. We just attack facts boy, you know. Cause you see at the end of the day, you never born rich. Mr. Chin I know your father. You just appear out from nowhere so. Pan the media just start a flash money son and say you're rich. And things say, squaddy them never ever go run in. Squaddy them run in a Pops YG house a Trillani me I tell you no. Gone with him and him white filly and see it they know. What? Not even your money can help you, brother. You no feel like so untouchable when you not make little money, boy, yeah? See, Diddy there, not even money can help him. Your money only can help you if you get a lawyer. And that's it, me I tell you now. When the system done drain you, all of the money the way you did claim to say you make and how you did rich, you go see that gone down the drain in a minute, brother. You no nah live and learn, boy, yeah, you know. And that's why certain things keep on a reach the youth them, boy, yeah, you know. Him no notice where the chopper them are be right now. The man them gone underground. The man them done with the media badness and the eye pins. Cause you see at the end of the day as when I say my people, Mr. Chin I know your father, you know. You never born rich, you know. So no matter how much money you want chop from enough of them people, yeah, Uncle Sam want it back. The system a go come look for you know. So as when I say, Mvrda+Pops YG still in a lockup for lottery scamming. After the dog did feel like say man touchable. In a them hometown, pan the media, are going with a bag of things. And see it you know, people them where did a perform for you think them care? You think enough of them willing to show about the $1 on your lawyer fee? No. Some of viewers walk with me. We are got Spot Valley and now down at St. James, where we see twin brother Ken Miller aka Gunny and him brother Vin Miller aka Stammer crash and dead on the Spot Valley main road at St. James. And won't feel like go come out of this. Nothing now go come out of this, you know. I just them family them have to go pick up the pieces them you know and find money if you go bury them, you know. You don't notice why I go on boy yeah. The man them who a lick down people a road, you know. And I do all type of nonsense a road, you know. Them nah get no jail time, you know. See it there? Woman get licked down a downtown Kingston. When you hear say that taxi boy they gonna do no time? Alright then. Boy you reckless. Boy you lawless. More time me I wonder where we have Prime Minister for. Where police and soldier the boy ya for. Nobody no take no talk. People them no rate them boy ya. So as what me say, you have to know what you do on their road. Cause the place lawless. Everybody a do them own thing. So no walk again. We still there St. James. But right now, we are going in a Lilliput. Where we see the killer them pronounce Jahnoy. B9 ball in a head and in a chest me I tell you no. And as what me say, boy ya lawless. Youth them not take no talk. Man a run out for them dance and general. And I make them name. So see it there. And it not stop right here so you know. When you think Jahnoy family them a go make this happen. See them family lay down pan ground with B9 ball in a head and them now and go pronounce back something. Some people now for stay safe out there. You have some ongoing war where I go on boy in the 14 parish and the 3 county them where the youth them a run out for them dance and general. And I go up and crash dummy mission. Them no care if a baby want get it. Them a do the do me I tell you no. Some people wanna stay safe out there. You see me?